Good afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming to you here with your currency commentary for the afternoon of June 21st. First, we're going to talk a little bit about the Brexit referendum. We do have that vote on Thursday. We did see one of the top bookmakers over the weekend in London actually put odds in favor that the Remain camp would win that vote. So they are placing the odds in favor that they will remain within the EU. I still very much think it's a coin flip event. So we're going to keep an eye as the week drags on for more on that. When they did put the odds in favor of Remain, we did see more than 1% gap higher in the equity futures. We did see a big rip higher in the British pound as well. So as you can see, it's going to be a very big market event come Thursday. We do have Janet Yellen testifying on the Hill this morning. She did mention that she's keeping a very close watch on the labor cycle. It appears as if it has slowed here in the near term, and the Feds also want to reiterate that they are going to move us along on a gradual path towards higher interest rates come September, potentially come December as well. With that, we do have the U.S. dollar testing some higher ground here this morning, 94.01, up 32 points. We did have it very much oversold yesterday, and we are seeing it retest some trend line resistance at 94.15 this morning, which was the high. The euro, inversely to the U.S. dollar, we are trading lower, down 56, 112.97. I got about a 300-point range on the euro right now. Top side comes in about 114.50, downside about 111.30. So that's your trading range. Trade appropriately there. Of course, there's going to be a lot of risk on the table with the euro currency going into the Thursday's Brexit referendum as well. So looking at the British pound, we did see a more than 800-point rally since last Thursday. We bottomed out down around 140.21. We did see the shorts really start to load the boat on the downside between about 140 and that low of 140.21. So it looks like we got the squeeze back to the upside in that market. We tested actually in the early morning hours way up over 148. We're trading currently right around 146.68. We do have it near-term overbought at the present moment, so that's something to kind of consider. We'll look at the yen real quick here. The yen trading down about 53 points, 95.97. We did think last week that it was a good time to become near-term bearish on the yen, as we did hit some overbought levels. However, we do have that market testing some oversold levels now within a bullish trend. So I would not recommend being bearish for much past today on the Japanese yen. So keep that in mind. That's all I have for you. My only advice going into Thursday, maybe keep your leverage low, be in front of the screens all day, and move quickly and decisively through the markets as volatility is going to be very, very high. So that's all I have for you. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to reach out to me by phone or email. We'll talk soon.